That's good.
Okay.
Fish down.
You guys, first catch of the day of many.
What are we doing?
Trying my best. Please, we had that one. We were gonna get a point. Yes, I had the heart.
So slow, gone down the old line, transistor radio.
Okay, stop. Stop me.
About something.
Alright,
Okay, go
ahead.
Somebody called for a spider.
I don't like it.
Are you ready for evening game?
I am.
Are you
I'm
ready for
so
evening
ready.
Game? Are you ready for evening
ready.
game? Are you ready for evening game?
So ready.
So ready. Are you ready for evening game?
Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready for evening game?
Are you ready for evening game?
Yes.
One, two, shout.
Do it here.
Alright, Millie, this is how you spike a volleyball. Hi guys, I'm Audrey. I'm a mermaid and this is my trick.
Hi, I'm Renato, and I'm a Peruvian mermaid.
Oh, my name is Maya, and my tail color is green. Mine's green too. Mine's blue. Oh my gosh, what do I do next? Just show us your mermaid.
Mermaids are rare.
You go do like a little dive in the water.
Yeah, do a little dive and then
Hold on.
the mermaid.
Yes.
Perfect.
Logan.
I'm Logan, and my tail color is black.
Okay, now there's a little dive.
Keep your feet together so you look like a mermaid.
What's your name? My name is Fiona, and my tail is turquoise and holographic, and it's really cool.
That's bullshit. You can't be holographic.
Take your mark. Go.
Sarah, what you gotta say? What you gotta say?
I'm so pumped to go to the this is gonna be the best hike ever. Brought my digital too.
We on a train.
Are we doing a vlog? So bad for her summer summer vlog. Oh no.
Hey, our cows are still snoozing. We gotta rock. You need to stop.
Which one?
Happy birthday to
It's hard to